Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Halloween is basically next week. What is everyone doing? What are your plans? With COVID, it's a little bit weird, but yet here I am bringing you guys another Halloween tutorial. The first thing I'm gonna do is prime my face, and then I'm gonna go in and grab my Ccbeauty 12 face paint palette. Starting off, I'm gonna grab the red and basically blend it all over the face. So while I was cleaning earlier this weekend, I found some little devil horns in my mess, so I figured why not film a little devil look. These are always fun, and I don't think I've ever done my face red. So this was the first, but like you saw, I just started with some red around the face and a round brush to really blend it in. What you could also do is grab a sponge and just dab it on, but I'm just round brushing that in. It's super easy. I do recommend you get your either brush or sponge wet to get a even better application. For the eyes, I try to clean up as much as I could of that red paint because I didn't want the paint to change any of the shadows that I was going to lay down, but either way it happened, so it's all good. Also, I was singing along to whatever I was listening to, so that is me just enjoying my music as I'm filming. But for this face, I decided I would do a smoky eye just because the devil look just gives me dark vibes. So I went ahead and grabbed my Naked Heat palette and started off with a lighter brown and worked my way down to a black. You guys will see how I create my smoky eye. Also, you don't necessarily have to follow my steps because I did extend the outer area out. You'll see what I'm talking about in a little bit, but with any smoky eye, all you want to make sure of is blending all these shadows together. I do like to start soft and then work my way out to a dark shadow. You could do this reverse. You could start off with the black and then blend the lighter shades as you go, but I find this to be the easiest way. And like I said, you don't necessarily have to follow all the steps I'm doing here because I did extend the outer area out to give it more of a winged out look, which you will see on the next clips. But it's super simple, and like I said, when I think of a devil, I think of dark shades, so that is what I decided to do with the eyes for this particular look. Okay guys, as you see, I'm using my finger to dab on the black. You don't necessarily have to use your finger. You could use a flat brush, but for this shadow, I wanted it to be really packed on the lid, so that is why you see me just packing that on. Now I'm gonna grab a brush and blend all these shadows together and also start to pull some of that black to the outer area to really extend it out and make it a little bit darker. I wasn't too sure whether to do something special with the brows or just do my regular routine, so I just decided on following my natural shape and instead of a brown or brow powder to grab a black eyeshadow to make them really dark for this particular look. Once I was done with the brows, I thought it was a good time to set the face. I totally forgot to set it earlier, so I just went ahead and grabbed a red shadow and started dabbing that all over. Now, if I were to actually wear this look out, I would probably tint some of my skin, including my arms, and wear either a cute little dress or some black pants and a cute little crop top just to kind of give it that dark look to the devil look. But after I set the face, I went ahead and grabbed a brown shadow to create shadows around the face. For the under eyes, which I should have done prior to me setting the face, but I didn't, I used some white to create that highlighted effect, and I'm just blending it out with a brush. I thought it was super easy and simple, just gives it a little bit of a brighter under eye look all over. I am going back in with the eyes as well to create more of a glittery eye. I am using the NYX glitter glue and some of their glitter. This is super pretty. I think I would actually wear this without the look. And also I decided I wanted to add some gems to the face. These little gems I got at the dollar store, and they already have glue to them, so they're super easy to lay down. I was placing the gems as I went. You could place them wherever you think would look good. You have the freedom of choosing. Like I said, there's no right or wrong way to do this. I did go ahead and add some gems to the collarbones. I did match them up so they would be nice and even, so I kind of measured them to each other to make sure that they looked a little bit even, and it worked. I actually really love how this turned out. I did go ahead and add a black shadow to the face once I had applied the gems. This was super easy, and as you can see, they don't move. So that little glue that they come with is actually pretty good, as the gems did not move when I was applying the shadows to the face. I have to say, this is my favorite part of the video. I love how the highlighter blended into the red and black. I feel as if the highlight almost overpowered the red and just created its own little glow to the face. But honestly, guys, the fact that the gems also didn't move as I applied all of these powders was pretty cool. Also, when I did remove them, all their little spots were intact. So that means that they do stick on. But as you can see, this highlight is just beaming. I will link it down below if you want to know what I used. I was not sure what to do with my hair. I normally never know what to do with my hair, but I figured since it was already in braids, why not take them out and use my hair in the little waves that it already was in. The next step you want to do for this devil look is to add some black lips. I just used the Anastasia lip palette. I think this is the level 1, but I think this is the only palette they've ever came out with. And as you see here, I'm just applying the black all over the lips. I didn't want to bore you guys too much, so I just speeded up the whole process. Last step I'm going to do is add the horns onto my hair. These little horns already have clips on them, so I just add a bobby pin to secure them into the hair. But you guys, this is everything for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give my video a little thumbs up. That is how YouTube knows you like my videos. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. Bye guys, I will see you on the next one.